Little Artist, I'm Mariana Olson, and today we're drawing a really easy turkey. Are you ready?
Let's do this. Kaboom.
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello, little artist. Today, my daughter Valentina is here with me. Valentina, you wanna say hi?
Hi.
Valentina is 5 years old, and she's gonna help me drawing an easy turkey for little artist. And the first thing we're gonna do is the beak. So we're gonna start about here in the center of the paper. We're gonna do a curve. Then we're gonna, and then we're gonna join with a line. Good job. And then underneath, we're gonna do another curve like this, around like this.
Small.
Yeah, this one is smaller. Good. Now, we're gonna do the piece of skin is hanging in here. I always forget how it's named.
Okay.
But we're gonna go from the center of the beak. I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna pass the beak and come back. Perfect. Good job. Kaboo. Now we're gonna do the eyes, and we're gonna do two oval shapes on each side. So I'm gonna start on this side. I'm gonna do here my oval, and then I'm gonna leave a space, and I wanna do the other one. And we're gonna fill these ovals with black.
Mine is circles.
Good. So now Valentina is gonna do the version, the female version of the turkey. I wanna do the male version of the turkey.
Male means boy and female means girl.
Yeah, thank you. So put the eyelashes with two little lines.
I already had one.
And then the other side. Good job. Now we're gonna do the body, and the body is gonna be like a big white circle, or like a big white letter U shape. So we're gonna start from this side. I wanna leave kind of like 2 finger space, and I wanna put a little dot, kind of like next to the eye. Now let's measure on the other side the same. I wanna put 2 fingers, and then I wanna put a little dot. Good. So that's how wide is gonna be our turkey. So now we're gonna do a half a circle from dot to dot. So I wanna start here, and I'm gonna go really slow, going around and coming to the other side. Okay, now let's do the feet. And the feet is gonna be 3 letter U's together. So we're gonna go 1, 2, and 3. Oh, good. That is so cute. Now let's do the same in the other side. We're gonna do 1, 2, and 3. Now we're gonna do 2 little wings in the sides. So for this little wing, I wanna do an upside down letter U that is gonna look like this. And this side is gonna be long like this. Now in the other side, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna start with the letter U, and this side is going long. That's the inside. Good. Now we're gonna join these 2 sides like doing 3 letter U's. So we're just gonna go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm gonna switch to pencil because I want to do the hat for the lady turkey. If you guys want to skip to the part where we do the hat for the boy turkey, you can do that. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is continue this line a little bit, Vale. So you're gonna go a little bit higher, passing the eye. So we're gonna pass the eye, and we're gonna go past the eye. Ooh, okay, so Vale went all the way down. So let's do that. Let's just close from side to side with our circle. Now we're gonna do the top of the hat, and we're gonna start from here where we join, doing a letter U, going up, and I'm gonna go one more time all over. Okay, so I'm gonna go all over and I join with the letter U. Now we're gonna do one more curve. We're gonna start from here. I'm gonna go up a little and then I'm gonna go around like this, and then I come back down. So up a little and then around, and then I start going down. Good job, that looks really good. So now to make it look more like the hat, we're gonna do a couple lines. So we're gonna do a line, 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 line. Good job. So now I'm gonna erase this part and then we're gonna learn how to do the other type of hat. Okay, now, so for the hat for the turkey, or the male turkey, we're gonna leave a space after the beak, about a finger space, and I'm gonna do a square male turkey. And inside that square, we're gonna do another one. Now, next to that square, we're gonna do two lines. So I'm gonna do one, a space, two, do the same here. Okay, now we're gonna join them at the end. I'm trying to make it look the same length. And now we're gonna do the hat. This hat is kind of tall, so we're gonna start from this square. I'm going up, and I round a little, and I come back down. Okay. And now we're gonna do the oval part of the hat. So I'm gonna start from the square, going around these shapes to the other side. Okay, and now we're gonna finish by joining this line. I'm gonna go up here, and this line goes up here. Good, now we have the same thing. The last thing is gonna be the tail. Okay, vale?
Taboo.
Kaboo. We're gonna do about 3 U shapes in this side. So I'm gonna start here from this part of the body, kind of like where the wing is, and we're gonna go making big letter U. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, and then we're gonna connect the last one. Yeah, you can make another one. You can make another one from here, and we're gonna do one more, and this one connects with the hat. Good job, Ale. Now let's go on the other side. Okay, let's start from the bottom. And we're gonna do 1, 2, and 3. There. And the very last thing, we're gonna put extra feathers inside. So we're just gonna go follow the same shapes we did. We're just putting an extra letter U shape, or a letter U inside, and we're gonna color that after. And there, that's it. We finished this turkey that I hope it was really easy for you to follow. I think your turkey turned out really cute, Vale, with her hat and these beautiful eyelashes. What do you think?
Yes.
You like it?
Yes.
And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color! Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how our turkeys turn out. Now with the colors, I think they look super cute. Valentina did a female or a girl turkey, and I did the boy turkey, and we did different hats. So I hope you like this lesson, and I hope your turkey turned out good for you. And remember, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step, like this one.
Step by step, step, step.
See you next time. Bye.